So, two changes. Yeah, Timbers only came close to breaking his long league goal-scoring drought. He departs up in the stands with Arthur Salis. Santos on the bench, and here he comes.
Before the match started, about whether they're looking at Wednesday's match.
It leaves it for Santos. Here's Obrimodiba. Polokwane City have only ever played one side in back-to-back league games previously. The entire time they've been in the top flight, and that was actually mamelodi Sundowns. Santos, and now Matthews. It's too strong for the Portuguese.
A little bit too strong, especially forcing that pass in midfield to find a table for Polokwane or Nende. And if it's not on, sometimes you don't have to be rushed into it.
Now, it's Morena again. Santos. Morena. To Polokwane. Santos. Drove to Matthews. Santos went down touching Sundowns. Santos! He's done brilliantly to evade Smataludi here. Not the most convincing first touch from Brian Leon, but he's done so well. Oh! Well, Santos was the man who triggered it and the man who finished.
Oh, what a move.
The chance had gone after this brilliant work from Miguel Santos. Leon failed to control it with his first touch, but then perfect, brilliant assist.
Brilliant assist from the two subs, just really combining. Look at the composure in the opposition's half, waiting for the defenders to commit the slightest of spaces on that reverse pass. Santos, no need for any extra invitation. Just curls it around the goalkeeper. Perfectly lobbed over pass from Santos. Leon, missed opportunity to...
Polokwane. 5 chances he's created this afternoon to Polokwane, including that one assist as spot kick. Santos launches, a minute remaining now.